There's a lot of issues going on in our world right now, and we need social workers out there that are committed to making the world a better place. At the National Catholic School of Social Service, we are very focused on the human dignity of every person. This is a very important value that our program strives to train students. All students get to work directly with families, Catholic charities, immigration, and refugee services. It's really inspiring to see the number of social work students return to their communities to help make that a better place. There is a world out there calling you to be that light for people. Through this program, you will be well prepared to become a social worker, committed to serving the world and making it a better place.